Are you looking for a way to make extra money but don't know where to start? Whether you want to pay off debt, save for something big, or just have more financial freedom, a side hustle can be the perfect solution. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly side hustles that you can start today, even with little or no experience. And make sure to stay until the end, because I'll share a bonus tip on how to turn your side hustle into a full-time income. But first, what exactly is a side hustle? A side hustle is any way to make money outside of your regular job. It's flexible, often requires little or no investment, and you can do it on your own schedule. Unlike a traditional job, a side hustle gives you control over how much you work and how much you earn. Now, why should you start a side hustle? There are 3 main reasons. 1. Extra income. A side hustle can help you cover bills, pay off debt, or save for something important. 2. Financial security. Having an extra source of income gives you peace of mind and protects you in case of unexpected expenses or job loss. And 3. Freedom. If your side hustle grows, it could replace your full-time job and give you complete control over your career and lifestyle. Sounds great, right? Now let's get into the first beginner-friendly side hustle. The first beginner-friendly side hustle is freelancing online. Freelancing means offering your skills and services to clients on a project basis. The best part? You don't need a degree or years of experience to get started. If you have a skill that businesses or individuals need, you can start making money right away. Now, what kind of skills are in demand? Here are a few examples. 1. Writing and editing. Businesses need content for blogs, websites, and social media. If you can write clearly or proofread, you can find work as a freelance writer or editor. 2. Graphic design. Logos, social media graphics, presentations, companies and entrepreneurs need design work all the time. Tools like Canva make it easy to start, even if you're a beginner. 3. Virtual assistants. Many business owners need help with emails, scheduling, or customer support. If you're organized and good with communication, this can be a great option. 4. Video editing. With YouTube and TikTok growing fast, content creators need editors to polish their videos. If you enjoy working with video software, this can be a high-paying gig. And 5. Social media management. Businesses want to grow their presence on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. If you understand how social media works, you can help manage accounts and create content. Now, how do you get started? The best way is to sign up on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Create a profile, list your skills, and start applying for small jobs. Another way is to reach out directly to small businesses or influencers. Offer to help with something they need, and if they like your work, they might hire you long-term. Freelancing is great because you can set your own rates, work from anywhere, and build a steady income over time. It's one of the fastest ways to start making money online. Now, let's move on to the second side hustle, selling digital products. The second beginner-friendly side hustle is selling digital products. Unlike freelancing, where you trade time for money, digital products allow you to earn passive income. You create something once and sell it multiple times without extra work. So, what are some easy digital products to create? 1. Printables. These are digital downloads like planners, budget trackers, to-do lists, or meal planners. People buy them on Etsy or their own websites and print them at home. 2. Ebooks. If you have knowledge on a topic, you can write a short ebook and sell it on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Gumroad, or your own site. 3. Online courses. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy allow you to create courses on skills like photography, marketing, or personal finance. If you don't want to record videos, you can even create text-based courses. 4. Stock photos or graphics. If you enjoy photography or design, You can sell your work on sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Creative Market. And 5. Templates. Resume templates, PowerPoint slides, website themes. These are in high demand, and once created, they sell over and over again. Now, how do you get started? First, choose a digital product that matches your skills or interests. Then, use free tools like Canva, Google Docs, or Photoshop to create it. Next, upload your product to platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify, or Creative Market. Optimize your listing with a good title, description, and images to attract buyers. Selling digital products is powerful because it scales easily. Unlike freelancing, where you work for each paycheck, digital products generate sales even while you sleep. Now, let's move on to the third side hustle, e-commerce and flipping. The third beginner-friendly side hustle is e-commerce and flipping. E-commerce means selling physical products online, while flipping is all about buying items for a low price and reselling them for a profit. Both can be great ways to make extra money. Let's start with flipping. Flipping is simple. You find undervalued items and sell them at a higher price. You can do this with thrift store finds, clearance items, or second-hand goods. Here are some of the easiest things to flip. 1. Clothes and shoes. Brands like Nike, Adidas, or vintage clothing can sell for a good profit on platforms like eBay, Poshmark, or Depop. 2. Electronics. Old phones, gaming consoles, and computer parts can be resold after a little cleaning or repair. 3. Furniture. If you don't mind a little DIY, you can buy used furniture, fix it up, and sell it for a higher price on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. 4. Books. Rare, collectible, or even used textbooks can sell for more than you'd expect. 5. Free stuff. Believe it or not, people give away valuable things for free on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. You can pick them up and resell them for a profit. Now, what about e-commerce? If you don't want to sell used items, you can start an online store. Here are 2 beginner-friendly ways. 1. Dropshipping. With dropshipping, you don't hold any inventory. Instead, you set up an online store, and when someone buys, a supplier ships the product directly to them. Shopify and WooCommerce make this easy to start. 2. Print on demand. This is a great way to sell custom t-shirts, mugs, or posters. You create a design, upload it to a platform like Printful or Redbubble, and they handle printing and shipping when someone orders. Both e-commerce and flipping let you become your own boss and set your own prices. Plus, you can start small with just a few items and scale up as you learn. Now, let's move on to the fourth side hustle, affiliate marketing and passive income. The fourth beginner-friendly side hustle is affiliate marketing and passive income. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money by promoting other people's products. When someone buys through your link, you get a commission. You don't need to create your own product, handle customer service, or manage inventory. It's one of the easiest ways to make money online, especially if you're just starting out. So, how does it work? Step 1. You sign up for an affiliate program. Some of the biggest ones include Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, ClickBank, and the affiliate programs of companies like Bluehost or Shopify. Step 2. You get a special referral link. This link tracks sales made through you. Step 3. You share your link in places where people are looking for recommendations. This could be a blog, YouTube videos, social media, or even forums like Reddit and Quora. Now, what types of products should you promote? 1. Physical products. Amazon Associates allows you to earn a commission on almost anything people buy. If you review tech, home gadgets, or fashion, this can be a great option. 2. Digital products. Software, online courses, and memberships often pay higher commissions than physical products. For example, promoting website hosting or design tools can earn you $50 to $100 per sale. 3. Subscription services. Many companies pay monthly commissions for referrals. If you recommend a tool like Canva Pro or Audible, you can keep earning every month as long as the person stays subscribed. How do you get started? If you have a blog, a YouTube channel, or a TikTok account, you can create content that helps people make buying decisions. Product reviews, comparisons, and best of lists are great ways to include affiliate links naturally. If you don't have a big audience yet, you can start by answering questions on forums or Facebook groups and sharing your links when relevant. Affiliate marketing is one of the best side hustles because it scales over time. A well-placed link can keep making you money for months or even years without extra work. Now, let's move on to the fifth and final side hustle, creating content. The fifth and final beginner-friendly side hustle is content creation. Creating content means sharing information, entertainment, or value with an audience. The best part? You can monetize it in multiple ways. There are many platforms to choose from, but let's focus on the 4 best options for beginners. 1. YouTube. If you enjoy talking about topics like personal finance, tech, gaming, or self-improvement, YouTube is a great way to build an audience. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can start earning from ads. You can also earn through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products. 2. Blogging. If you prefer writing, a blog can be a long-term way to generate income. By writing helpful articles and using affiliate links, ads, or selling digital products, you can make money passively. Platforms like WordPress and Medium are great places to start. 3. TikTok and Instagram. Short-form video content is exploding right now. If you can create engaging videos, you can grow an audience quickly. Once you have a following, you can make money through brand deals, affiliate links, and selling your own products. 4. Podcasting. If you like talking but don't want to be on camera, podcasting is a great option. You can make money through sponsorships, listener donations, or directing people to your other side hustles. Now, how do you actually monetize content creation? First, ads. Platforms like YouTube and blogs let you earn from ad revenue once you have enough traffic. Second, sponsorships. Brands will pay you to promote their products if you have an engaged audience. Third, affiliate marketing. Just like we talked about earlier, you can earn commissions by recommending products. Fourth, selling your own products. This could be ebooks, courses, merch, or anything your audience finds valuable. Content creation is not a quick way to make money. It takes time to build an audience. But once you do, it can become one of the most profitable and flexible side hustles out there. Now that we've covered 5 beginner-friendly side hustles, let's wrap things up with a final tip on how to turn your side hustle into a full-time income. Now that we've covered 5 beginner-friendly side hustles, let's talk about how to turn your side hustle into a full-time income. Many people start side hustles just to make extra money, but with the right approach, you can scale it into a full-time business. Here's how. Step 1. Treat it like a business. If you want your side hustle to grow, you need to take it seriously. Set goals, track your income, and reinvest your earnings. Whether it's freelancing, e-commerce, or content creation, commit to consistency and always look for ways to improve. Step 2. Automate and outsource. As you start making money, you'll reach a point where your time becomes your biggest limitation. To scale up, look for ways to automate or outsource tasks. If you're freelancing, hire assistants or use automation tools for invoicing and communication. If you're selling digital products, set up automated sales funnels so you don't have to manually promote all the time. If you're creating content, batch your work so you're not always starting from scratch. The more you streamline your work, the faster you can scale. Step 3. Diversify your income streams. Most successful entrepreneurs don't rely on just one source of income. Instead, they combine multiple streams. For example, if you're a freelancer, create an online course or ebook to sell. If you're a YouTuber, use ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing together. If you're in e-commerce, start selling both physical and digital products. The more ways you make money, the less risky your business becomes. Step 4. Reinvest for growth. Instead of spending all your profits, reinvest in better tools, education, and marketing. The biggest mistake beginners make is withdrawing all their earnings instead of using them to grow faster. For example, invest in better equipment if you're creating content. Run ads to bring more traffic to your online store. Take courses to level up your skills in freelancing or business. Smart reinvestment can turn a side hustle into a six-figure business. Final thoughts. Starting a side hustle is one of the best ways to increase your income, gain financial security, and create new opportunities for yourself. To recap, here are the 5 beginner-friendly side hustles we covered today. 1. Freelancing online. Sell your skills. 2. Selling digital products. Make money passively. 3. E-commerce and flipping. Buy low, sell high. 4. Affiliate marketing. Get paid to recommend products. 5. Content creation. Build an audience and monetize it. Now, the question is, which side hustle will you start first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tips on making money and building your dream lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.